Ready?
Yep.
You guys ready?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Partner, you won't have, I wouldn't want to lock on that.
So we are going to the beach. And we're waiting on Gabe because we can't leave. So Aaron just came out, but I don't know where Gabe is. So we're waiting on him. And
Are you excited?
yes.
This is the first time you're going to the beach
No.
this year.
Yeah. I went when I was, I think 3. I went to the beach when I was 3.
Mm-hmm.
There's Gabe.
Gabe's finally out?
Yes.
Gabe finally came out.
And now we're about to leave.
Mm-hmm.
My first time going to the beach when I was 3, and I was holding this big rock, and I thought I was going to drop out my toe. And what is that on my head?
Oh, sorry.
Yeah. Okay, so we're about to leave because Gabe's right there. I don't know if you guys can see that white car.
Oh, let me get my nail
He's right in that car.
It's like there's a bubble, air bubble.
He's in that car. And
Alright,
they're
press stop
moving.
to
They're moving.
Yeah,
So
Subway
let's
gas.
go.
Pick up
There's their car.
Sandwiches or anything?
If you want, we can stop.
Hey, Chris, did you want to get any,
Did you guys eat already?
did you eat?
Hi.
Do you want to get
Safeway
Subway
sandwiches?
sandwiches or something? Subway, she said yes. She said yeah.
You don't want to eat bread.
Okay, yeah. Well, we can buy some.
Say hi. All right, let's go.
All right, let's do it.
You almost tripped.
No, I didn't.
Yeah, you did.
No, I didn't.
Yeah, you did.
Where's Joy?
She's in the car with Grandpa and Grandma.
Yeah.
Joy, let me see your outfit. Well, you can have that for lunch, okay? We'll come back and get one for you
How
for
about
lunch.
California roll?
Yeah, easy lettuce. Any bigger than that? Is that how big it'll stay?
She's only gonna gain about like 1 more pound.
Oh my gosh, a
Even though
toy
they made
poodle?
Yeah. Oops.
Okay, guys. So we are next to CVS, and
Got our sandwiches, got our snack.
we got our snacks right there, and then you
Safeway.
and we got some sandwiches
Yep, so we're waiting.
for everybody. Where I think Daddy went inside CVS, and then
You're coming.
I think after. Oh, he just came out. I think after we're gonna go on the freeway.
Yep.
So
See you guys when we get there.
okay, bye.
All right. Hang on out. Head on out.
Hi, mommy.
Mine stinks.
Uh-huh. It's like,
You can't even go see those now, man.
what? What do you
You
mean?
have to. You have to.
Oh, look, and there's
get an
other ones
appointment,
right
book an
there that's
appointment.
growing.
Oh, wow. Yeah, they have a waiting room.
Look at them. This is where
that.
we saw the fire on the mountains.
Uh-huh.
Down there, and there's lots and lots of fire.
Yep.
And we parked somewhere over here, and then there's like snow somewhere over there.
There was snow on the mountains. It's green now. Remember everything was like brown? I mean, it's still a little brown, but it's turning green.
Snow on those mountains. Look.
Yeah, those are Sierras.
Those might be clouds too.
It's a combination.
Yeah. I'm doing 82. It doesn't even feel like it.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Just go.
Now I remember her. Wow, it's cold. I'm
They got
We stopped at that McDonald's.
Yeah.
Yeah. 777.
Seaside.
Seaside. Starbucks. How you feeling, Joy?
Good. I'm really cold.
I know it's cold out here, surprisingly. In front of the house.
Yeah, we did.
Pretty.
People flying the kites?
Yep. Yeah.
So cool.
know y'all part.
I don't know where Dad parked, to be honest.
I'm right there.
So pretty. Oh my god, y'all heard this new look at that. Man, it's actually pretty cold.
Yeah, it's nipping. You need a jacket. I remember us changing in the car over here.
Uh-huh.
We had to change it. Get out of our clothes, get out of our undies, and me and Chris. And
Oh
me
my
and Dad,
gosh.
we had to change drawers and stuff.
Not right now. We're going somewhere else first.
We had gotten in the water.
It's cold, man. Jeez.
See what happens. Get over here. Yeah, we could. Yeah, you could help it.
What?
Do your own bag of chips. The dehydrator?
Yeah.
Are you talking about banana chips?